Marketing is a battlefield.
One of your clients' case studies with Doc Martens. What would you tell the 1996 you, since it's coming up on 2016 here, we got a 20-year spread, if you had to take Doc Martens back then versus the present you with Doc Martens now, when it was, it was about going into the store and having an experience, right? Versus a whole new way of interacting with that brand.
Marketing has evolved from being my friend emails me about it back in the day, or I'm talking on the phone, or in person I say, check out this new shoe from Doc Marten. And then I would, let's say for the last 20 years, I might go online and try and find information about it, but then I would go into the store. Right. And then, 5 to 10 years ago, it kind of reversed. It was, I will shop, I will showroom. I will go to the store. I will look at the shoe, make sure it's the right one. Then I will value shop online and go to Zappos or Amazon, rather than go through the brand or a retail outlet. But really, I think smart brands control both their manufacturer and a retailer, or a retailer that has online, offline stores that can create a seamless experience like an REI, where you buy online, pick up in store, or buy in the store and have it shipped. You really need to give every customer an option so that they feel like their needs are being addressed. So that just makes marketing far more evolved. So no major brand can get away with not factoring in the mobile experience. Where at what step are they using the mobile device early in the search, research and discovery phase, or right down to purchase? It needs to be in every step. So I think that's the biggest challenge for like a Doc Martens. Is their mobile strategy involve an app with a game, or is it just gamification of the purchasing process, like a loyalty program? Refer 5 friends to Docs and we'll get you a pair of shoes, that kind of stuff. So I think so it is more complicated because it's cross-channel. So the measurement's difficult. Brands are being trained by consumers how to work cross-channel, in my mind, not the other way around. Only the most advanced brands are encouraging their customers to move throughout the process differently based on rewards or incentives. So that's really what's changed a lot, is we can't do paid search internationally without understanding what the rest of the brand is doing in their marketing offline, what else they're doing online, what the consumers are doing and thinking. So listening to social to get a sense of what people are needing, what they're expecting. So there are a lot more factors at play.